Two youths died in another terrible road accident. The name of the deceased were Abhijit De and Ashish Mazumdar. Locals recovered their body in the mid of the road in a bloody state late on Friday night. Incident occurred at Garace Tila area under Belonia police station. Two sand dealers from Belonia Manurmukh met a road accident at Belonia Garace Tila area late on Friday night while they were returning back from Belonia Bunker area by a bike. Seeing them lying in a bloody state in the middle of the road, locals informed the fire service personnel immediately. Later, fire service personnel came for their rescue and took them to Belonia Hospital, but they were referred to Agartala GB Hospital as they were in a critical condition, but they lost their battle of life on the way to Agartala GB Hospital. The name of the deceased were Abhijit De and Ashish Mazumdar. But the locals are unaware of the cause of the incident. Belonia police rushed to the spot as soon as they were informed about the incident. Family of the deceased Abhijit De and Ashish Mazumdar of Belonia Manurmukh and the locals are deeply saddened with their death. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.